A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a landmark ruling, a federal court has determined that President Donald Trump overstepped his authority by attempting to bar asylum claims at the southern border of the United States. This decision, delivered by U.S. District Judge Randolph, underscores the constitutional limits of presidential power in matters of immigration. Judge Moss's 128-page decision highlighted that Trump's actions posed a risk of creating an alternative immigration system that diverged from the laws established by Congress. Asylum has long been a protected right in the United States, allowing individuals fleeing persecution to seek refuge. However, on January 20th, upon commencing his second term, Trump issued a proclamation invoking the Immigration and Nationality Act, asserting his right to deny entry to aliens and impose restrictions on the immigration system. Judge Moss firmly countered this assertion, stating, "Nothing in the INA or the Constitution grants the president or his delegates the sweeping authority asserted in the proclamation." He emphasized that the president cannot replace the comprehensive rules and procedures established by U.S. immigration law with an extra-statutory, extra-regulatory regime. The ruling comes amid a backdrop of heightened tensions surrounding immigration, with Trump framing the situation at the southern border as an invasion that necessitated the use of emergency powers to suspend asylum rights. Judge Moss cautioned that suspending asylum could lead to significant harm for those facing persecution, noting that tens of thousands could be deprived of their lawful processes. Despite the ruling, the Trump administration has a 14-day window to appeal, and officials have expressed confidence in their chances of success. White House spokesperson Abigail Jackson stated, "A local district court judge has no authority to stop President Trump and the United States from securing our border from the flood of aliens trying to enter illegally." The administration's argument has also included claims that it alone has the authority to determine whether the U.S. is facing an invasion. Judge Moss acknowledged the challenges faced by the executive branch in managing asylum claims, but reiterated that U.S. laws do not grant the president unilateral power to restrict asylum access. The ruling is the result of a class action complaint filed by immigrant rights organizations, including the ACLU, which has praised the decision as a crucial step in protecting immigrant rights and upholding the legislative powers of Congress. The court's ruling will take effect in 2 weeks, during which time the Trump administration is expected to file an appeal. This legal battle reflects the ongoing struggle over immigration policy in the United States, with advocates arguing for the protection of asylum rights while the administration seeks to enforce stricter measures. As the situation continues to unfold, the implications of this ruling will be closely watched by both supporters and opponents of Trump's immigration policies. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.